You my wife, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm your husband.
Okay.
Everything okay?
You don't want to match, right?
I want to marry.
Match like this.
Oh, no, no, I don't.
You don't want.
Shall we play match? We
Huh?
play or not? Koftan gamer up to gamer up to you, I know.
One time.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Okay.
If I win, you're gonna do push-up, okay?
Yeah, okay.
If you win, I'm gonna do 10 push-up.
Okay. But you're gonna win for sure. You're gonna win. Because your team...
I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna see. Let's wait. Guys, come on. Push up in that name. Push up. If I win, you push up, yeah? Let's go. Just 2 or 3. Easy. Guys, come on. أنا push up سمينا.
They say you have a girlfriend that name is Sundus.
What is Sundus?
I don't know.
No, Sundus is my favorite food, you know. It's a culture food, Somalian food.
Ah, okay.
I love that food. What?
Wife.
No. It's just like, you know, I don't know what you call. It's a culture food, you know. In Brazil, you have culture food, yeah?
Oh, no, I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. Guys, abadino. Taman push up سمينا. Taman push up. Come on, بقرتوي. Abadino. Yes.
He's lying. They say you are lying.
I'm lying what?
I don't know. Sundus is his wife.
Yeah, they lying to you. Ben, why Ben?
Just a friend.
They lying to you. Sundus is a fool. Wait.
He is YouTuber.
What? I'm not a YouTuber. They lying to you.
Okay.
Yeah. I win, yeah?
Thank you for the rose.
Guys, I can badino.
He loves her.
I love who? You? Yeah, I love Sarah, you know, Sarah Jannah.
He is singer. Are you a singer?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Thank you for the roses.
Yeah, I sing for you right now, okay?
Okay, you can sing.
Okay. Sarah, waxaad tahay awoodadaada buufkeed awoodada Saroy maxay u qoslee ahlay Brazil ka taan maxaase ugu fiirinee inaa ku heesoyaa isku milaysaa Magano hano Mahasasi ufirinusa Animuku hesui Awotada bufke Ushake Oh Yeah, you like it, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, I was saying you are so beautiful and it's so very, you know, like yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you, David G. Obrigada, David G.
Yeah. Are you in Brazil right now?
Yes.
Okay. I will come Brazil, okay? You know Vini, you know Vini?
Vini Jr., yes.
You know Neymar?
Yes.
So who is there really like originally from Brazil?
Both of them.
Okay, you know Ravinho?
Vini Jr.?
Yeah, Ravinho that Barcelona Ravinho, you know, yeah?
Yes, I know him.
And you know Vini, yeah?
My
Who's
father,
originally from Brazil?
they both are. Neymar and Vini Junior are from Brazil.
Oh, okay. ¿Cómo es Sara? ¿Cómo está Sara?
¿Cómo estás?
What is that?
How I am.
Oh, okay. They writing for me, you know. They say like that.
Feeling that you got me up.
Okay, Sarah.
I'm gonna lose. I lost.
I win, yeah, I win. You do push up.
Yes, okay.
5 push up.
Okay. Let me put the cell phone on the ground.
Okay.
Please. Now I can do like this.
عملوا لي إنا لله وإنا إليه راجعون.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
5.
Okay. Sarah.
Okay.
Sarah.
What?
Why like that? Why? إنا لله وإنا إليه راجعون.
What?
Your legs. إنا لله وإنا إليه like. فرح. Sarah.
What?
Your legs. Your leg.
What about my legs?
إنا لله إله. Me and you same legs. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. الله كوي شيكتانه. Me and you same legs like chicken legs like this.
Huh? I don't understand.
Wait. Show me your leg. Show me your leg. Like put the phone down. No, put the phone on floor. No, put the phone on the floor.
Huh?
No, put the phone down. You put the phone down, yeah. Guys, أنا كل جوا من فيريا. أنا كل جوا من. Like this, no, like this. You put the phone on the ground. Come on. Yeah.
Okay.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. والله أنا كل جوا من والله. والله أنا كل جوا من. لا إله إلا الله. Sarah. Sarah, why? Even Brazil like this. لا إله إلا الله.
What? I don't understand. Why are you laughing?
No, because we got same legs, you know. I thought your legs coop. لا إله.
Oh, okay. We have the same legs.
Yeah, we got same legs.
Yeah.
Chicken legs, you know chicken legs.
Yeah.
Shall we play another game?
No, just once.
Why? Allah.
I'm gonna-
Wait. If I win, you're gonna stand 1 minute. Only your legs. We won't see your legs for 1 minute. If you win,
No, because TikTok is gonna restrict me.
how?
It's going to restrict me because we can show body parts, you know?
My legs? How?
Here in Brazil, we can't show like the body, you know?
Waraan gabdho Soomaali oo waxaa jiraan kub sheegtay. Allah. Kadib uu ku soo qoray Faarax lagu baasto. Kadib soo qoray. Sarah.
I'm gonna go back to my followers, okay? I'm gonna follow you back. Gonna follow you, and we can play
Where
again.
you running? Wait.
We can play again later.
Okay, bye. Chicken legs. Like, you get my legs. We got same legs. We got same legs. عرك جورز وكوريس مارع لو ما سعر